Donald Trump is now planning a more than $100 million military parade to celebrate his 79th birthday this June, while simultaneously firing tens of thousands of employees from the VA, making veteran healthcare worse and harder to get in the process. So the President of the United States, the Commander-in-Chief, is telling us as a nation that we cannot afford to give veterans the high-quality healthcare that they were promised when they signed their name on the dotted line and put their life on the line for us. He's saying we can't afford that. We don't have enough money for that. But we do have enough money to throw a $100 million military parade for his enjoyment. And yeah, I know before any Trump supporter comes into my mentions, I know that Trump is planning on claiming that this parade is in honor of the 250th anniversary of the Army. But that's bullshit. We all know that's bullshit. And the reason we all know that's bullshit is because top Army officials were asked about their plans to celebrate, to commemorate that anniversary, and they did not have any plans for a parade. Trump wanted a parade for his birthday, and so his people went and found an excuse to do so. And this is the same exact parade, by the way, that Trump wanted to throw in 2018 and was stopped by Pentagon officials who made it very clear this is an absurd thing to want to do. The cost of this is astronomical and a huge waste of money. Even back in 2018, it was going to cost $92 million for the Pentagon to arrange all of the military elements of this parade. And then it was going to cost the city of DC $22 million to repair all of the roads, the 4 miles of roads that would be completely torn up by driving tanks down them. And the only reason that he wanted that parade in the first place back in 2018 is because he had visited France when they were commemorating Bastille Day and they had a military parade. He could not stand the thought of another country having a military parade and him not getting one himself. We're going to spend $100 million on the demands of the petulant child that we've put in the White House because he can't stand to see another country have a toy that he doesn't get. But meanwhile, we're going to tell veterans, sorry, if you're feeling like you are moments away from taking your own life and you call the Veteran Crisis Hotline, you might not be able to reach anyone because we fired all those people. Sorry, if you're a veteran that has brain cancer because you were exposed to toxic chemicals in a burn pit in Afghanistan, you may not be able to get all your benefits or navigate the system because we fired all the people that were hired to help veterans navigate benefits as a result of the PACT Act. Sorry, we just don't have enough money as a country to help you, veterans who are now dying of diseases caused directly because of their service to this nation. We just can't afford to help you. We can't afford to hold up our end of the bargain when you signed your name on that dotted line to put your life on the line for us. We can't hold up our end of the bargain now because we have to put that money towards making sure that the Commander-in-Chief gets his military parade. I don't know how anyone defends this. Even if you are a Trump supporter, I don't know how you defend this and live with yourself. I don't know how you defend this and then still claim that you support the troops. Because no, you don't. Absolutely not. No, you do not. This is pathetic. This is absolutely pathetic.